Good day, traders. This is Rick with your futures trading coach. Aftermarket update for the live trading alert room. Today is Monday, October 6th, and I'm going to quickly go through what we did today. Okay, first opportunity was we had a short. Okay, we had a short 1968. 1968, the time was 9:12 Central Standard Time. Okay, and we took that down. The first target was 1964.50. My next target was 62.50, and my next target was 60. These lines were here the whole time. Okay, this is where I said the market needed to go. Okay, for those who didn't take this trade, I said if you want to get in again, you can get in up here at 1966 at 9:21. Okay, right here. Okay, 1966. Okay, I said take it down here, get yourself risk-free, and see if you can get down here, make a couple points, and we had it there. Now, those that were in from 68, okay, I said that this box, the top or the top to the middle to the bottom of this box should have been hit. It missed it by a tick. I said we don't really want to get greedy. I said, but you know, on the other hand, it depends on how many runners you have. Usually our targets are hit, meaning they may take it down again. I did not want anybody to hit this as a new entry here. Okay, got down here. I said when the market comes down here, either take your last stuff off. Okay, if you have two left, take one off here and hold for the next target, or take it all off here and we'll see what happens. If it closes below this box, I said it's coming down on the next box. It did close below this box, and I said, look, they're coming down here. They could, of course, pull it back first, but they're probably going to come down first. The only opportunity you have is to just hit it short at 150, 1/4. I said for a quick, point and a half or whatever, so that they can get down to this line, and that's exactly what happened. We had a little profits there. Market mulled around here. I said this was an inflection point for the market. They were either going to take this up and go back to the highs, or they were coming down. I specifically said if this market gets negative, okay, they're going to take this thing down, and it's coming down to one of these two lines right here. I said 475, okay, and 52. Okay, put the box in the middle here, a little bit above, a little bit below, so that's where we're coming down. When the market came down, the market was right here, I said one of two things are going to happen. The market's going to go higher and we're going to get longs, or it's going to come down. I said if the market gets down to 950 again, 950 again, we have what's called an understanding trade. You just got to hit it short right at 950. Try to get it 975, 60. If it doesn't look like it's going to go, just grab it right at 950. I said this market's coming down to at least 475, and if it gets below 350, okay, it's going to come down to 250, or it's going to come down to this box, okay? And that's exactly what happened. We had a nice 7-point trade there, okay, from the 950s. Right before we closed the room, I said, look, if you guys want a quick trade, another quick trade for your guys who are not in, okay, and I said you got to take most, if not all, off at a point because the room's closing right here. I said if the market gets down to 3/4, which it did right on this candle, I said hit it short at 350, take most of your profits off at a point or get completely out because the room's closing, and I said that would be a nice last quick trade. So one opportunity there for a point. This one went for 5 to 7 points depending on which targets you took. This one was a 1.5, and again, if you were up from 68, you could have, if you held. Realistically, anybody who was in from 68 got out somewhere around here. And that would have been about a 6 to 8 point trade there. So beautiful day. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 opportunities, all short, and we're going to come back and we're going to do it again tomorrow, guys. So until then, have a great day.